The app-controlled GARDENA smart system offers the convenient solution for automated and intelligent garden care, allowing you to keep your lawn perfectly mowed and your plants optimally watered with a variety of smart products and functions. In this video, we will show you the many functions of the GARDENA Smart app, which allow you to set up, control, and keep an eye on your smart garden from anywhere. The app is available for free download in the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. After downloading the app, it only takes a few steps to set it up. Once you've created your free user account, you will be taken to the overview page, where you can see the status of your connected devices and view upcoming actions such as watering or mowing cycles. Under the Schedule menu, you can set up, change, and pause schedules. The Smart Assistant helps you optimize schedules based on certain parameters to meet the needs of your garden. The History menu allows you to view when your garden was last watered, or if a planned irrigation cycle was skipped due to weather or sensor data. For the best care of your plants, the Plant Library provides information such as light and soil moisture requirements for over 3,000 plants. If you're unsure about a plant in your garden, the Smart Recognition function can identify it with just a photo. You can create a list of favorites to quickly access relevant information about the plants in your garden. In the app settings, you can manage your user profile and customize information about your garden. You will also receive notifications about new features and seasonal tips for your devices. In the settings, you also have the option to connect your smart system with numerous smart home providers, allowing you to control your system via voice commands or the same app as other areas of your smart home. With its clear structure, the Smart app makes it easy for you to keep track of your garden, and numerous intelligent features, together with your smart devices in the garden, ensure sustainable watering and optimal lawn care.